Mixing it on a piece of scrap board. Not sure if I like that. It's kind of absorbing a lot of the epoxy. Ooh, this stuff's got a good odor. Okay, here goes. Okay, I'm coming in. Wheel in here. Okay, I'm around it, move up and down, shimmy it up and down. Now I'm pushing downward to get the lower part of the hole adhered, just like Roadrunner said. Holding in place now for 30 seconds. It's hot. It's activating. Alright, that's been 30 seconds. It was getting the two-part epoxy. One of the parts was pretty fluid. The other one was even more fluid. Once I started to mix them together, it got to the consistency of peanut butter pretty quick. I'm going to go ahead and let go now. Take a look. Turning the camera off. Okay, I'm mixing up the second cam column now. And here I go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on now. Yep, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Why isn't it going in? Oh shit. Oh shit. Got it. Oh my gosh. What a mess. That was scary. Down, whatever. Yeah, there's the final job. Bit messy. It's a little messy. It's alright though. Can't see it. Should be stronger. Wondering if I need to do anything here on the aft end of the garage drive well, where the spine rests.